Did you know that nearly 70% of collagen products on the market might not even contain real collagen? Crazy, right? Today, we're diving into a topic that could change the way you think about your beauty and wellness routine. Alright, so let's talk about collagen. You've probably heard about it everywhere, from your skincare products to those trendy supplements. Collagen is super important for skin health, helping to keep it firm and youthful. But it's not just about looking good, collagen plays a vital role in overall wellness too. So, the big question is, how do we know if what we're buying is the real deal? Presentation of problem/challenge. Unfortunately, the market is flooded with fake or low-quality collagen products. It's a bit like the Wild West out there, with companies trying to cash in on the collagen craze. Some products are filled with fillers or synthetic ingredients that do nothing for your body. This can lead to wasted money, and worse, it means you're missing out on the actual benefits of real collagen. You might be thinking, it's just a supplement, how bad can it be? But trust me, the risks are there. Low-quality collagen can lead to skin issues, digestive problems, and even allergic reactions. We really need to be aware of what's in our products. Exploration/development. So, how do we identify real versus fake collagen? First off, check the label. Look for key ingredients like hydrolyzed collagen, collagen peptides, or types 1 and 3 collagen. These are the good guys. If you see terms like collagen blend or collagen complex, that's a red flag. Also, pay attention to the source. Is it derived from grass-fed bovine, wild-caught fish, or even chicken? These are typically better quality. Another thing to keep an eye on is the price. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Quality collagen isn't cheap. And remember, if a product claims to be a miracle cure, it's likely just a gimmick. Climax/key moment. Now, let's talk about the most effective tips for making sure you get the genuine stuff. First, do your research. Look for reputable brands with positive reviews. Check if they have third-party testing. This shows they're serious about quality. Also, consider the type of collagen. Type I is best for skin, hair, and nails, while type 2 is ideal for joint health. And lastly, don't be afraid to ask questions. Reach out to the company for more information if you're unsure. A trustworthy brand will be happy to provide details about their sourcing and testing. Conclusion/summary. To sum it all up, knowing how to identify real versus fake collagen is crucial for your health and beauty routine. We've discussed the importance of checking labels, researching brands, and being aware of the ingredients. Remember, investing in high-quality collagen can lead to real benefits for your skin and overall wellness. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried collagen products? What was your experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. Let's keep the conversation going and make sure we're all getting the best for our health.